Checking your account balance on Kajabi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your financial information. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Visit the Kajabi website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your main dashboard. Look for the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Access the settings menu. In the navigation menu, find and click on the settings option. This will take you to a new page with various account settings. Step 4. Select billing information. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. View your account balance. In the billing section, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. Here, you can also find additional information regarding your payment history and subscription details. By following these steps, you can quickly check your account balance on Kajabi. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Kajabi support for assistance.